Wednesday, February 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and a pretty quiet weather day set to unfold across our region today, but a couple of pretty significant storm systems are going to roll through, one coming up as early as tomorrow afternoon, producing shower chances, but the main system moves through early Friday, and then the next system comes in early next week. And both of these systems pretty dynamic. Both of these systems are going to produce some severe weather in parts of the country and some flooding issues as well. Let's kind of get into it. Here's the radar imagery this morning. And notice in parts of Missouri and Arkansas, some showers breaking out. That is way out ahead of the main part of this next storm system. More on that in just a second. There's the temperatures this morning. Pretty chilly. A lot of 30s across our region. But notice the warmth beginning to build again here in parts of the southern plains. That is going to be the one of the ingredients here to fuel the severe weather threat that's upcoming. There's the current watch warning advisory situation. Notice winter weather products up here in the Pacific Northwest, and these are flood products out in advance of this next system. And here's the reason why. There's the day 1 and 2 QPF. Basically the rain totals forecast by the HPC, and this is going to be a pretty prolific rain producer. Some amounts in excess of 3 and 4 inches in that area where the flood watches are out this morning. We'll get into the severe weather aspect in just a moment. There's the upper air chart off the GFS for this afternoon, and I'll kind of switch over to the European, and we'll take a look at the next two storm systems. There's the first system. This is 1 a.m. Friday. That system, that short wave swinging into the Mississippi River Valley at that point in time. And then here is the next system. This is 1 o'clock Monday afternoon, and that's a pretty dynamic upper-level disturbance rolling through. Pretty intense. And so there could even be a bigger severe weather risk depending on how the instability works out early next week. But this is going to be a pretty significant severe weather episode in some areas coming up tomorrow and tomorrow night. Let's start with today off the GFS, and big high pressure building from the eastern Great Lakes and the northeast down through our area. There's the low pressure just beginning to move into the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles this afternoon. Let's go out to tomorrow afternoon. That low sitting over the Red River Valley, and what's going on here is basically from that low you have a warm front extending right about there, cold front trailing back from it. So in this warm sector you begin to have the chance of severe weather. So those thunderstorms begin to ignite in Texas and Arkansas to Louisiana by later on tomorrow afternoon. Notice around here we could begin to see some rain showers, especially I-40 and points north as soon as tomorrow afternoon. And then here we are 1 a.m. Friday. Thunderstorms really blowing up in parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. And we go 6 hours later, those thunderstorms developing into northern Alabama and middle Tennessee, northern Georgia, and into Kentucky as well. And then for our area, we see the main system move through Friday morning. Well, let's talk about the severe weather threat. There's the day 2 convective outlook, and moderate risk out for parts of Arkansas, northern Mississippi, and western Tennessee. There's the severe weather probabilities. That's pretty high. You're looking at a 45% area in the same area that, of course, is in that moderate risk. And so let's go back to the overall severe weather risk. I don't think, at least, well, there could be some hailers here in this area, but I really think it's this area right in here that has the biggest severe weather risk, and that's where there could actually be a few strong tornadoes in that area as well, depending on how the low-level wind fields and the instability sets itself up. Now, again, the core of the system moves through here Friday morning. Here, when I say here, I mean the Piedmont of the Carolinas, so showers and even a few thunderstorms. Can't rule out a couple strong to severe storms around here, but the severe weather risk is not nearly as significant as out to our west. Here's the European model, 7 a.m. Friday and 1 p.m. Friday. It really is Friday morning for the I-85 corridor when the bulk of the shower and thunderstorm activity moves through, and Friday afternoon close to the coast. And this is going to be one of those deals where the rainfall amount's not nearly as significant as out west, but probably a lot of us are able to get at least a quarter inch of rain out of this, which of course is not a huge rain, but it'll help out a little bit. Now Saturday, kind of a cool, quiet day, highs in the 50s to around 60, good bit of sunshine. Sunday, you're going to have to throw in the chance of a few showers for I-85 and points north and west as we begin to get the isentropic upglide taking place ahead of this next system. GFS is far quicker with this. In fact, it moves most of the activity through Monday morning in terms of showers and storms. Let me show you the European, though. There's Sunday, the shower chance well out ahead of the system. Now, this is 1 p.m. Monday. Notice we're still completely dry on the European, and just beginning to see the showers and storms move in by late Monday afternoon or early Monday evening, and the European really swings most of the system through Monday evening and Monday night. There's one more panel for you. That's the precip from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. there in that Monday night time frame. I've gone ahead and thrown in the best chance of showers and storms with that next system Monday into Monday evening, and we'll continue to refine the timing, but looks like that one could involve some severe weather opportunities as well, maybe into the Carolinas as well, as it looks like a little more instability can make it in ahead of that early next week system as opposed to the system here at the tail end of this week. So a couple of good systems moving in, a couple really dynamic spring-like systems with severe weather and flooding in parts of the eastern United States. And that'll be threats that we continue to refine here in the coming days. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching this Wednesday edition of the video. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.